Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I hope you had a good trading week last week and that you enjoyed your weekend. Now it's time for the technical Sunday of the 9th February 2020. So I hope you are ready because this week is going to be interesting. So let's get directly started with the pair Euro USD, okay? So as you can see, we had a breakout last week. It was at the support, then the day after a lovely breakout. So if you were buying on the short term, it was interesting. We had a little spike but then huge breakout, and it was the moment to sell after the breakout because we had a kind of consolidation on the lower time frame of the 4-hour charts, and boom, selling. And now it's really interesting. So currently with Euro USD there is nothing to do. Some people see kind of support here because it's rejected. Sorry for the purple, it was because I was doing a video for my students. So some people see a weak support. I wouldn't take the bet for a buy. At the opposite, this kind of weak support should be the area where you are taking your take profit. So if you're still in a sell, I would take profit, close my position and secure the buy. Because there is some potential, there is some probabilities that it's gonna retest and then goes lower. So if I were you, I would just like close my trade, you see consolidation here, and then just wait for it to retest the resistance and then short it. So currently Euro USD, there is nothing to do, okay? We just have to stay patient. Now let's go with Euro CHF. On the 4-hour charts, there is nothing. This kind of week is the trend is totally useless. There is nothing to do. We are at the level of 1.06934. We're in the middle of the market. Remember, we only trade near to a resistance or a support. We never take a gamble in the middle because this is gambling, this is speculation, and not a real technical skill. So we just wait. Once it reach this level of 1.06199, then we will get in a buy. If you compare it to the past, it was a really strong support. Okay, perfect. So Euro THF, currently nothing to do, just stay patient too. Nothing to do. But you can see that there is a potential setup that if it hit the support, then we will buy. And exactly the same with Euro USD. If it hit the resistance, then we will equally short. So yeah, Euro THF, if it hit the support, we buy, and Euro USD, if it hit the resistance, we buy. So now we're gonna do CAD JPY. CAD JPY. So I told to my students, if never it hit the resistance, then we're gonna short. Unfortunately, it didn't go that far and it started dropping before. Doesn't matter. We just stay patient and maybe it's gonna go back up, have a pull up, and then hit the resistance. So keep in your watch lists, okay, for a sell. CAD JPY could be interesting. And now we go with NZD USD. This one is really interesting. Basically, why? So we had on the daily time frame a really interesting breakout. Like it's like clear like water. There is nothing to say. It's like broken. Okay. Especially with candle rejection before that show us how strong was this level. It clearly destroyed, and resistance or support is not breaking without any reasons. It's pretty clear that this support is done, okay, and now the pair is gonna keep going down. I wouldn't get in a sell right now. I mean, there is two possibilities, depends what kind of trader you are. First, you can get 1/3 of your current lot. So if you're trading one lot, you can put like 3 lot, 0.3, and already start selling because maybe it will keep going down directly, or it's gonna retest here and then going lower. So two possibilities: either you wait, it touch here, then you're short, but you're also taking the risk to miss the trade if it keeps going down. Or second possibility is you get the half of your trade right now, okay, and then once it retests here, so here you place 0.3 and here you put 0.7, and then like this it's a kind of hedge because you're avoiding the full risk. It's not a real definition of hedging, okay, because hedging is when you like you take two different things to protect against the risk anyway. Here is a kind of hedging with NZD USD. So watch lists for a sell in case, of course, it goes like this. Now GBP CADs, nothing to do, guys. As you can see, it's currently in the middle of the market, so there is absolutely nothing to do. nothing to do. AUD CAD. Oh yeah, by the way, I received some messages if I can change the pairs. But no, what I want is you to be familiar with them, to start understanding how to same vision. And maybe so every month I will change. So from the since the beginning of the month of January to the end of February, I will be doing the same pairs and I will take others. Of course, I will keep the major ones such as like Euro USD, GBP, JPY. I will keep them, but like for the smaller one such as Euro THF, which are not that much volatile. AUD CAD into watch list. Once it's hit the support, we will get in the short watch list for a buy. GBP AUD now. GBP AUD. Interesting. So once it hit the resistance on the daily time frame and it closed, and we can get in a short. So watch list for a sell. GBP JPY. So I was doing something with some students, that's why there is nothing to do. So watch list for buy. Okay, and now AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Wait, I already did AUD CAD. Oh, AUD. Okay, I'm gonna do AUD CHF. This is, I think, the one I wanted to do. Not, no, it wasn't AUD CHF. Wait, which one it was? Oh, let's take Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. There is currently nothing to do, as you can see too. So I'm just trying to make these quick videos for you, really quick, really intensive, really patient. If you have any question, just feel free to post a comment here on the YouTube video, and I will get back to you tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this technical Sunday, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.